Today they hire us to clean the garage. They're moving out, they're selling the property, and there is some oil stains. The good thing is that this floor is epoxy, so we are not going to use strong chemicals, just the products safe for epoxy floor. I have our scrubber. We're going to scrub and rinse with the truck mount. Okay, this is Fiorella, Jose, and Sonia from anyhousecleaning.com. Thank you for watching. He's spraying the product. With this machine, we are going to start scrubbing and vacuum and rinsing with our truck mount. This is the recovering tray where I can recover all the dirty water from this beautiful epoxy garage floor. With our truck mount, I'm gonna pick it up all the dirt, everything really bad. I already put the dirty water inside the bucket and I absorb and suck it up all those dirty contaminants, whatever. So I'm using our truck mount. For this purpose, I'm gonna use what I use. Let me see. Okay, we use 800 PCI. So we convert our regular one for rinsing purpose after scrubbing, because we scrub really well with this Power Flight multi-wash CRB. And CRB stand for cylindrical or rotating brush. And I love that machine, okay, because it's really versatile. I can brush carpet, agitate carpets, tile, grout is awesome, pool decks, even marble, stone, travel time. So this is our beautiful one that is a sapphire scientific titanium one with 4 sprayers, and we are converting our regular carpet one into the hard surface rinsing wand. How we are able to do that? Simple. We bought the attachment that is called the hard surface glide in greenglides.com. So I really recommend that website if you are a cleaning company or you are carpet cleaning and you want to make some extra add-ons for your company and earn more money and have your clients happy, because this is the one person, one telephone number that they're gonna call, so you can offer more for your service. You already have the attachments and you already have the equipment. So we did a short video in YouTube, but someone told me, can you explain a little bit more? Well, I put the title, everything that it needs to be understand. Maybe this person is knowing the field and is new and they don't know, but I'm doing my explanation right now. We just get home after a long day. This client hired us for the garage epoxy floor, 4 areas of carpet and master bedroom closet carpet, and pressure washing the driveway subways. So this is just for the garage floor. Another beauty about this attachment is that it cleans right there in the edge. So beautiful design. I'm really glad that we invest in that. Give me more opportunity to gain more clients, give me more ability to perform better. This is the brush. This is the hard surface glide, the origin, right? That is called, what is called? greenglides.com. So I recording Jose rinsing the floor and vacuuming. So the client was really happy. There was 2 stains for rust, but he didn't want to use any kind of rust or acidic product, so he was concerned about that. I enjoyed doing the service with Jose and Sonia, and If you are a potential client, you can call us at 407-572-4118. Even if you want to start your own company and you need some questions or recommendation where I bought my equipment, you just call me at 407-572-4118. The job came really neat. This client wants to sell the property and I was happy to perform well. Thank you for watching.